Welcome back to Dawson Design Production Company. Today we're doing a quick tutorial on how to use LumaFusion. As you can see, using a green screen. We're going to learn how to do that later. So LumaFusion is a video editing app for iPhones, iPads, Macs, and maybe Samsung tablets. I'm not sure when support for that is coming out, but they did announce that. First thing you might want to learn in this video editing app is how to cut out those spots where you were thinking about what you were going to say next, or you said a lot and you want to cut out the fact that you said a lot about what you were going to say next, or you said a lot and you want to cut out the fact that you said a lot. That would look like this. You want to cut cut you want to cut out. Now, something I like to do to hide the fact that I'm doing all of those cuts is to pan in, zoom in, pan across, all sorts of things. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. Go and you have your video file, you hit edit, that little pencil icon, and then you are already in the zoom area. So you hit and make a keyframe, you set it however you want, and then you move to where you want the next keyframe to be, and you set it however you want, and then it looks like this. You might pan across, if that's how you do that. So when you use the scissor to cut the clip, and then you can cut again, and then you can delete that section. So now you know how to cut out pieces of the video, and how to pan to kind of cover it up, to mask it, to hide it. You might also just want to zoom in like that. You wanted to see my finger close up. So like quickly zoom in to my finger, or I have something to show you. Look at this. Zoom into that. You can use that. You just, zoom it in, keyframe, do all that stuff. finally, you might want to learn how to delete the background. So that would look like this. I use this background for my videos. You can use whatever background you find on like whatever stock footage website. You can have whatever you want behind you. And now this does look a bit weird because you can see the walls around me. And that's on purpose that I recorded so that you could see the entire green screen, except for that side. I can't even reach that side, so it doesn't matter. First, I'm going to show you how to delete the green screen, and then I'm going to show you how to delete the walls. So if we go into Edit, you hit the pencil icon, and then you hit the little effect icon. It's two squares kind of off angle from each other. You hit that icon, and then you go to the key icon. That's short for chroma key, which refers to green screen effect. So then you hit the green screen, but you're not going to keep the same color. It didn't really work. What you're going to do is select the eyedropper and click somewhere else in the green screen. Somewhere up here is good. Down here is not so good because this is not the average color of it. This area up here is where you want to grab from. So grab the eyedropper, grab the color from up there, and then the whole green screen should disappear. You can turn up saturation range, hue range, you can turn up all these things, edge softness, blur. Some of those are gonna look weirder than others, but they're things that you can do. And now you've got the green screen completely deleted. But this up here is still an issue. Now, when you're recording, don't reach up here. Don't put your hands up here. Don't put your hands down here, because those won't be in the video. Because we're just gonna crop that out. We're gonna go back to the square with a circle in it on the left, and we are going to go away close the positioning tab and open the cropping tab, and we're just gonna adjust all of the levels, the top, bottom, left, right, until you can't see the walls. So that would look like this. So that's how you get rid of the green screen. Now, this is not the best green screen. We are in the middle of a hurricane. It is flooded outside. I can't go home, and the place I'm staying doesn't have lamps that I can use to properly light the green screen, so it's not gonna look great. All we have is two lights up here, which means there's a double shadow, which is meh, and they're not diffused lights, so the lighting is not the best, so it's not gonna look the best on the green screen, but that is what I have, and this is what you can do with just a few lights in the room and a green cloth. I got this green cloth as it was excess from work. They didn't need it. I have searched for scrap fabric that is just kind of being thrown away, and if it's green or blue or whatever, you can use it. You really use any color for a green screen. Doesn't have to be green. So scrap fabric, you can use anything. That's about all I have for you on this LumaFusion tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, comment below what you would like to see me teach, and later.